it.
Yeah, why?
Why? Oh my god.
I'm not redeem this card.
Do not.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Alright, starting the stream overlay. Oh my god. I forgot to actually change the
Yes.
the title, and I
We
forgot
all
to
agree.
I forgot to make it public also. Bro, my brain. It's okay. We can't be perfect.
Yes, we can.
Yes. You just need to be sick. Easy fix.
Zigma. Oh,
Sigma balls? What?
Yo. Wait, how old people say that? Y'all be tripping?
You all be tripping, dog.
Huh?
Yeah, that's how they say it. I'm telling you. Alright, let's see, we're gonna take some of this, some of that, and we're gonna go here. Huh. It's okay.
I swear, I'm gonna break my monitor. Also, Lucas, will you review my website when
review
I
my
put
website.
it online?
Yeah, sure. I can review your website. Yo, finally you feel better.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
great.
right.
Do not redeem the card. Wait, why the fuck am I not?
Indian, yeah.
Are
all
you
want to
live
be
yet?
Indian.
Yeah, I'm live.
You live yet? Okay,
But the StreamFIghter ain't live for some reason. Let me restart it.
Yeah, I pinged
StreamFIghter?
anyways.
Yeah, that's fine.
How come you haven't set up a fucking shell script to just like start everything up in one button?
Bro, Docker.
Well,
No. Docker's not really meant for that.
Like,
no,
did you mean a website or like?
no, just
no, I'm saying no shell script because he spends like
Oh.
5 minutes or whatever setting up his stream, and he could just have it all set up
Why?
in a script, and then he could just run it, you know, and
Yeah,
then all of
yeah.
a sudden the game's playing, OBS
Oh
is
my
running,
God.
you know.
Yeah, I guess.
It inserts the new thumbnail that you put in the folder. It knows which thumbnail to grab.
I guess I could.
That's where the intern would. That's where their
videos.
intern would come in. You just kind of tell the intern what you want.
Yo, bro. Yeah, I guess I could, but
Lucas is smart for real.
I don't know. I like this manual labor. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes. He does it the Chinese way.
Yeah. What? Let's see.
Yeah. Like, imagine Lucas being in China. Yeah, I speak programming language.
Oh, that's not
really
me.
racist.
That would be crazy.
How do we get the validation layers here? Because we're missing something.
Yes.
They are not working.
Are you like the debug messenger? Is it even like doing anything?
I think so.
Wonderful.
Until look at my stream.
Oh, give me a quiet second. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
The amount of times I got called entry, entity,
entity,
different names. And entity is even German. It's German. It's a German word for ducky, basically.
I see. Anyways, you see this file here?
No,
wait.
Extension.
Also at end me.
End me. Sure.
Please.
What? Here are the layers.
Yes.
Oh, I'm not having this extension.
Okay, now it's fucked, but
I don't know. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. Who knows? We'll find out in the next episode of Lucas is messing shit up again.
Oh god, I don't even have Rust installed.
damn.
Yes. Also, fun fact, the Rust programming language is higher rated in the SEO than the Rust game. fun facts.
Damn,
Damn.
it's like,
Yeah, that's actually crazy.
Still, I don't see these
Nuts? Damn.
nuts. Yeah. Maybe I have to go.
Imagine Lucas doing a Java stream.
Oh no, I'm not. I'm never touching Java again, bro. Bro.
Oh, my back hurts. Oh, fuck, my back.
Like,
shoot it.
shoot it, kill it.
Like, when I get, like, up or something, it's super... It just hurts.
Mm.
Also, I just got a request error on Clippy. On a server. Thanks, you.
Wait. We need
Also,
to
we need
a
to get
function.
Lucas a different theme. Yeah, sorry.
What do we need me
Yeah,
for?
no. A new theme.
We need to get you a new theme for your Visual Studio Code.
What? No!
Yeah.
It's the greatest theme of them all.
Nope.
Why?
Nope.
It looks blue.
Glue.
Yeah, well, you're blue and yellow, but like
If I'm switching the theme, then I might as well just switch to Helix or Neovim.
or Z.
Yeah, or that. Any function check for that checks if all requested layers are available. First, let's avail layers using VK-enumerate property function is usage identical that of VK-enumerate instance extensions property, which. And next to if all of the layers validation exist in the available layers list, you may need to include. Okay. Do we have to maybe do that? Because I don't think we have that right now. I checked to invalidate extensions or layers. Yes. Yeah, let's do that. So enumerate instance layers. Layer count null pointer. Then you have, and then you just fill the data of the layers data. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do that. Print to just see, and same for extensions. So I'm just gonna write straight here. This doesn't have to be a separate function. It's literally in the init of the thing either way, so that doesn't make sense. For extension count or undefined.
Oh god, I will need to make a Docker file for my Rust thingy.
Oh my god, they got an MCP for Blender. Oh my god.
Oh no!
They got an
Don't
MCP for
wonder.
everything, man. They got an MCP. We were looking at it earlier for DaVinci Resolve. You can have it fucking make your videos for you.
Lucas, you should get it. You should get it. Look.
What should I get?
MCP server.
MPC for fucking DaVinci Resolve. What I was saying earlier, you can have your fucking the LLM, your intern make your video for you.
Bruh, no, bro. No. Extensions. Instance extensions, but let's see. Should be a instance extensions properties here. Isn't that the thing?
Dude, I'm actually kind of like I want to test out the one for Blender here. That sounds interesting.
That's how they do the meshy, probably.
Oh, mesh cleanup. Yeah, might.
Maybe, yeah, like, I don't know, I wouldn't, maybe, I like kind of like, but maybe not, I don't know, we should try maybe. This should be fine. I don't know why it doesn't find the... Is this from an extension or something? PK enumerate extensions properties, no, it turns to blah blah blah. Null description. Is there something return code C also? There's this one should exist by default inside of that thing, but okay, maybe it does. I don't know. Try VK check.
Yo, Andy, look at my stream. I'm gonna show you banana.
Also, I was looking all the time at like Harold.
Yeah.
Lucas theme is okay. We should get you a new theme. Sorry, I was looking at Harold's theme the whole time. Sorry, Lucas.
Yeah, get Harold a new theme.
Yeah.
What? I don't need a new theme.
You need a new theme.
No.
No.
P layer names. But extension. What the why would I pass in the layer names if I want the instance extensions? This is a bit weird, but sure, let's do that. Pass the layers, we'll pass in the extension count, and then we'll pass in null. P layer name. Where do they do the extensions? Probably here in the instance. Properties. Okay, they pass null and null. What is then the layer thing? P layer is either null or appointed to a null terminated UTF string naming the layer to retrieve the extension. Okay. I don't care. And then we can do a print. I just want to see count P then extension count, and then probably a new line would be great. That should be passed by reference, otherwise this isn't going to be funny. So let's see, how many extensions is it trying to tell me that I need? Count is 25. Okay. And then what we can do, now that we got the amount of extensions that we need, I'm just gonna do a... How do they... Extensions properties, yes, so I can also do a var, because this is just temporarily. Extensions... properties c dot vk extend properties equals undefined. So, and then we're gonna tell it also that it's gonna be an array. We're probably never gonna need more than 250, 152, 128. Is that right? Am I doing this wrong now? 256, 128, yep. Let's just do that. And then we'll pass in here the extension properties. And then we can do a quick for... the only thing we care about is our extensions. Extension. And then we need to check for capture that, compare extension. Then we will have a bar bound bool false if compare extension name. How do I compare strings in Sig? Is there like std string compare or something like that?
stdmem.equal or like eq.
Ah, okay.
And yeah.
Equal all. What?
And you pass in you. Yeah, no, just equal.
Because is this just taking all of an array of things? Because that would be better. Because now I'm gonna.
Yeah, no. Are you iterating to see if all of them are equals?
Yeah,
because
I have to go through for each of my extensions. I have to see if a single one of these ones is equal.
Yeah, no, do stdmem equal all.
Because then I don't have to keep this true here. I could just literally just call that.
Yeah, no.
If it works the way I think it works. Equal
Yes.
all. And then what do I just pass?
Nope, doesn't work like that. Well, too bad.
Okay, fine. Then it just has to be equal, right? What does it take in?
U8 you want to give it, and then the strings you want to compare.
Just U8? Isn't it an array of U8s? Or just U8?
U8 is a type. Yeah, and then command and the strings you want to compare.
These are already. And I compare extension dot.
Also, there's a better way of doing this. Instead of doing var found equals false, you can just do var found equals 4. Like, just remove the false semicolon. Remove the semicolon and false. Yes. And then put an else after the for loop. Like,
What?
go below, yeah, here. Yeah, else. And then use the false. Yeah.
Okay. That's not how you spell false. Like this?
Yeah, and then if those are equal, then we go back to the if statement where we're comparing the strings. Yes. When if that's equal, then we want to use the break. Break true. It's break and then true. And yeah. Also, I don't really need the curly braces here. For this, yeah. Yeah, and yeah, remove the semicolon after breakthrough. Yeah, and also do const found instead of var found. Yeah.
And then I can just if found.
Well, there is a lot of errors above you, so you should probably check on that.
Okay, we can check on that one first. Then extension is not
Yeah, it's because it's possibly null. If just do or else.
Like inside of the for or.
Yeah, instead of the for loop. Or no, it's one keyword, yes, or else, and then ampersand dot curly brace. Yeah.
What does this mean now? Extensions or else?
Basically, so if it's null, it will just do over an empty array, and that is length of 0, so it will just skip it.
Okay. And then we go through here, and then so this one goes. So if it's not true, then it will do the else, and if they are. Wait, but equal. This will return 0 if they are equal. Want it?
No, this returns a true. If they are
okay.
equal.
If and only if the slices have the same length and all the elements compared through using the equal operator. Okay. So it's not like a traditional mem. What is it?
No. Compare, no.
Hmm.
Because the traditional thing sucks, and Sig was like, nah.
Okay. And then, actually, if found is equal to false.
No!
Then we panic.
No! No. What? Oh, this is the worst line of code I've ever seen you write, probably.
I beg to differ. Can I have a...
No, can't.
Can I not do this in a panic?
Hey. No, you can't. Okay, Lucas, we're gonna do this a bit differently, okay?
No.
So remove this entire line, because all of this is just absolute trash.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Make a if.
B-Rash.
But you said it was
If.
trash.
Yeah, no, but remove it. We're gonna begin from start over. Start over. Just remove all of this. Yeah, we're gonna just. Now you do exclamation
No,
mark.
we don't do that. So this is way cleaner to understand. I don't. I
No.
hate those. I can. This. Nah, that's just worse. This we do. Not. If found is not true. So if found is equal to found.
No. If you ain't have an exclamation mark there, then I'm not gonna tell you the rest.
I don't need you to tell the rest. If not.
Okay.
I mean, it's it's shorter, but it's also like
It's nice. It's
no,
nice.
it's not nice.
Yes.
I prefer to
It's
read it
beautiful.
because this is so easy to misread. You don't read the exclamation mark sometimes. You just skim through and then you misread it. You know.
You're never gonna read this ever again. It's fine.
I am probably. All right. What's the next step?
No, curly braces,
Curly
and then you
braces?
do yes, because we're gonna have two things in here.
Ah.
std.log.error. You know,
Not print. You want log.
std.log.error. Yes, because logging is better than printing, at least for real cases. Log.error, like ERR. Yeah, and in here you can do the formatting, and then you put you can like say missing extension or something.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, it's a dot curly brace and an extension.
All right.
Also, the thing we're doing actually, we don't even need to have this if really, because we're gonna do something smart.
We're gonna.
So yeah, just make a new line. Up here, yeah. And then you do if found, just not like any special equals true or equals false or exclamation mark, just found. And then we do break. I guess. Or is continue maybe. Yeah, continue, right.
Continue.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Well, actually,
It really ain't.
why the fuck are... Bruh, we can just do this. And then if true, continue.
Yeah, that's also good. Yeah, true. Yeah.
No, wait, we want the... How do we actually want this? Because... Fuck.
What's the issue?
Okay, we want to go into the... Like... Because now it's gonna go... Yeah, but it goes through each for loop, and then if it completely goes through the loop, yeah, this is fine. This is gonna be the same thing. Then it's gonna do this. Yeah. What's this thing? Expected type found.
Yeah, do stdmem.spam.
For extension.
Yeah.
Spam?
Dot spam. Yeah. Then I put in extension there.
Vulkan?
Yes.
Yes.
But like, does this really work? Because the continue is gonna continue on the inner for loop.
Right. Break.
But that will just...
But it will
If
break out of
any
both of them. Won't it?
No, it will just break the inner one.
No, won't it break out the
But there's a
whole?
way.
It will break the whole loop.
You want to break? You want to, okay?
Want it do that?
But that's sure. But like, there is a way to do that. But
No, I don't want
this
that.
will...
I want it to.
No?
I
Okay,
want
well,
it...
it's gonna only break in for the inner loop currently.
No, it will break for the whole thing.
No, it won't.
Yeah,
It won't.
it has it.
Breaks only work for the inner loop, and to make it
No,
break the
no,
outer loop,
no,
you have to have a
no.
block. No,
Right.
trust me.
No,
This is how it
I
works.
will show you. I will show you.
Okay.
This is Stevie's main, right?
And this one will go to what do we take? We take 100.
You could use while loops.
No, we do for loops now. So we have
Okay.
value 1. Bruh. Value 2. And then we do a print. And then we say val 1. Bruh. And val 2. The new line. And then we just say value 1, value 2. And then if...
Lucas, how about you watch my stream instead? Because I'm gonna show you this in an actual way, okay?
you just fix that, then I will do that. If value 2 is equal to 2, then we break, and that should exit the whole loop. I don't know, let's see. Oh. I was wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know
Lucas,
why
like,
I have
if you...
a memory of it exiting the whole loop.
It's probably weird, like, because, yeah, I don't know. But you can see here, if you have this code here.
Wait, let me see where.
My stream in Discord. Well, you already, like, figured it out, but, you know.
Well, then this thing will work, won't it? Because it will just exit this loop if it's true. So this is fine.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you want to exit the outer loop, you would do something like this.
Go-tos.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, it's great, bro. I love it. It's one of the best features in Sig. Go-tos in Sig are so useful, man.
You should be careful with those, bro.
Go-tos don't really work like they do in C, okay? It's not really, it's not even an actual go-to in the assembly, I don't even believe, because it's like just...
I mean,
compile
as
time.
long as they are not ambiguous, because the problem is...
They aren't ambiguous.
So you can't
They
jump...
aren't, like, this is...
You can't jump to
you can't
another
jump
code block,
yeah.
you can only jump within the same scope.
Yeah, you can only jump within the same scope, yeah.
Okay,
So
well, I guess then it's not too confusing.
Yeah, no, this is... like, this is actually why go-tos are so good in Sig, because if you make a go-to at like one while loop and then you have another one at another while loop, you can't access each other, you know?
Okay, wait. Array literal requires address of operator address
Yeah,
coherence.
just have ampersand before.
Alright. And then I just do a panic still after here.
No, you want to return an error.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. You should try to not panic, usually.
What?
You can say like missing extension or something, or extension not found or whatever.
Missing extension.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see, that should still be the right logic for it, so let's see. Connected, small free, extension missing. But
Yeah.
maybe I'm not doing it right though, because I think that should be here. Otherwise, we should never have gotten a window. So I'm probably doing this wrong.
Well, yeah, this is what I was thinking before, because if any of the extensions are the same, then you break out of the entire loop. Not if all of them are, you know.
No.
This is why the found thing was...
This is fine because it will go through.
I know, but the inner for loop, because if any
Yeah.
of the extensions
That's-
are equal, then you break.
Yeah, that's fine because it takes the first extension I want, then I start comparing against all of the ones I got that I have.
No, it doesn't. It compares to one of them, and then if that one is matching, then it breaks.
Yeah, that's fine.
You know what?
And then it
break
goes
is
to
not
then it takes the
same
next.
as continue.
Then yeah, but it breaks this for loop. That's the point.
Yeah, and then it crashes.
No, what? Oh, it breaks this
Yeah.
one and goes to this one.
Do you want to continue on the outer one? That we can do. Yes. Okay.
Fuck.
Make a go to block, or like whatever you name it, before this one. Before the outer for loop. Yeah.
I'm
And
wondering
name
if
it
a
whatever you
bool.
want. Something.
I wonder if a bool would be then after all better.
No, this is way more performant actually and better.
All right.
Just
What
name
is
it.
the name convention for blocks or?
Well, just try to be short and like readable, I guess. Yeah. But it's snake case
Next
usually.
extension. Like that.
Nah, maybe like check extension.
I think the bool would be better.
No. This is better. Trust me. Bro, aren't you supposed to be like data oriented? Yeah, that's a great name.
Right.
And then you do colon.
Hmm.
Yeah, and then instead of breaking in the inner for loop, you do continue. Trust me. And then you do colon. And then outer. But you remove the space here. And remove the colon so you get LSP. Just make space and then colon, yeah. Bam! This is so nice, isn't it?
Very nice. So now, if it's true, then we'll continue
Yeah.
from here and.
Yeah, and then we'll check the next one. I'm not sure this logic is gonna work really, but...
Still missing extension.
Well, like... Can we print out the arrays, perhaps?
Yeah. Wait, but these ones are the ones that we should guarantee have. These are the ones we're trying to compare with. So let's do a
But like,
print.
one thing about your logic here I don't really understand though is that basically in the inner for loop, if any of the like extensions, or is this just one thing? Oh, it's probably just one thing, I guess. No. Okay. Because what's happening right now is that if your extension is equal to any of the like VK extension properties, then you continue. Is that what you want?
Yeah, because this is
Okay.
this is my extensions that I want. These are the extensions that they have, and then I just want one of mine be equal to theirs. Then I know it's good, and I can check my next one.
Okay. Okay, that's true.
Is
That's
it
true.
unclear
I see.
identifier? How did this one become
Yeah,
unclear?
you have to have curly braces if you're gonna have more than one thing inside of the for loop. So I put back the curly braces for the inner for loop. You don't have curly braces for it.
Oh, right.
Yeah, like C kinda works with expressions, and like curly braces is kind of an expression, you know.
Mm.
But it's actually multiple expressions instead of one
I forgot
expression
inline.
almost. Yeah.
Well, that's not good. The
Yeah,
data ain't
that
that
ain't
good. Data ain't that good. Oh, well, look at that.
Okay.
But it did find it, but then the compare didn't work. Yeah, and it should probably not go through. Right, I'm a bit stupid. I should just do a slice on the actual amount and not all of the extensions that I actually got. Because otherwise this will be kind of bad.
Yeah, that's a smart idea.
Even though it's nulled, but it's not that smart to do
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Also int cast.
Do I need to do it in cast? It doesn't complain about it.
Extension count is a U32. It's gonna crash and burn. What? Since when did it not crash and burn?
Liar! But yeah, there is definitely the Chronos surface.
Okay, but before we continue, so my guy literally wants to have an explicit language, and now he's just somehow doing autocasting in Sig.
I like it.
No, this is gonna, bro. You want us to you just don't like casting now, do you?
No, not Sig casting. If this would have worked, then that's I could have agreed on. But the other thing that, bro, that does nah.
It's literally at int cast. It's not too bad.
It's pretty damn bad.
Yeah,
Anyway,
it's bad, but like you get used to it. Okay, wait. I can't wait till the Sig compiler updates, and then this code is not gonna work anymore because the extensions. I mean, the casting was like increasing for some reason.
we are probably doing something wrong with the equal then here. Something is not right. Should this also have the ampersand? Wait, that's so stupid.
No. Maybe you can do span on the extension name ? Yeah, but also remove the ampersand. It doesn't like it, I don't think. You did comma span. Yeah. Yeah, you know what to do.
Nope, still the same thing, missing extension. And it went past it. Why?
GPT.
Intern.
Intern.
Ow. No, your code. This supposes that compare extension to your request extension AG surface against the names returned Vulkan is defined as C. When you do span, you're getting the entire fixed array, not the null terminated string portion of so the Oh. Okay. Vulkan see up to the first null term comparing. Okay, so it should be. But that's replaced. Oh no, this is what you do with
No.
mem slice to and then.
Okay.
But why would you?
Program in.
So
I just do what it says. But it's literally the same thing because I'm pretty sure span does that also. But just do what it wants.
Well. Yeah, but it's the thing is that it's not null, like it's using the null terminated thing, and for us we're not using. I think it's taking the whole array anyways, and that's the problem. But yeah, let's try.
Yeah,
it.
but that's what we're gonna fix. I guess I don't know, but I think I think span does that, but I don't know. I don't know.
And then we'll take this from here. We'll put that over there, and we'll take this away. Well, that looks better.
If it works, it works.
Yeah. So now we have all of the extensions at least there. So that's pretty good.
Remove the to do. Remove the to do. It's not to do anymore. It is just truth.
Yeah. Now we just do the same thing, but for the layers. Am I right?
Yes.
And it's gonna. I think they have pretty much the same name stuff. It's in instance layers properties, and then we pass in layers count. And I think what is the issue with this then? Expected to back. It has to be the count and then the actual layer properties. Okay, like so. Let's see. So the count is 4. I think I can go with the same idea that having this 128 BK layer properties like so, and then we'll take the same one, take it over here, call it layer properties. We'll take it from here, layer properties, and we're gonna use the layer count, and we're gonna remove that one. Boom. And then we're gonna do the same enumeration here, but instead of on extensions, we're gonna do it based on our layers, and then check layer, same for here. And we are not, we're gonna call it layer, and then layer.
You see, now Lucas is cooking. Now
Mhm.
he is cooking.
And then compare layer, and then we will have the, this one is the layer, and this will be the compare layer, like so, and then missing layer, and then missing layer, and extension. This is probably layer name. So, and that should be pretty much it, right? Okay, so we have all of the layers, we have all of the extensions. So, so why ain't it working, Great. Now we can go back maybe to validation layers then. Let's figure this shit out. So, we do get all of these, we validate them all. Basically doing what they do over here. This look at this big ass loop compared to our, well, okay, I guess it's, well, we have this.
I know.
They don't
this
even.
is why,
They don't,
this is actually
they
this
don't
is
even
the reason
print.
why I like Sig so much.
Like if you remove this is basically, well, this is the same.
Man, why do you think I like Sig, man? This is the reason. It's because it's like so much more compact, which is way more readable for me. I don't know.
We can now use this function, create instance, check validators and layers. Now run the program, debug. Ensure that the error does not occur. If it does, then have to look create info. It does all of these. Message callbacks. Get required extensions. Is it your birthday today, sir? Bro. I need to stream next time when it's my birthday so I can have all of those extra views because it's birthday time, you know, that would be crazy.
When is your birthday even? This is just
Yesterday.
like typical guys. We don't even know each other's birthdays.
No, I don't know.
I know you
even,
for like half a year now.
I don't even know your name.
Yeah, no, I don't even know your name either. Like, I don't even know who you are.
Happy birthday! Well, thank you. Somebody noticed this classical, you know, guys talk. You know, my birthday was how many months ago? 4 months ago? Wait, I don't
4
know.
months ago?
About soonish, yeah. Is that the...
Wait, maybe you actually said that. I must have just forgotten.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, happens.
It's when birthdays happens, that happens. Back to the grind. Am I right? Is that a new haircut? Well, it's a new hair growth. I will probably cut my hair when I go visit family during Christmas. You know.
When
Mom
you
will
go
cut it.
bald, you mean?
You know, mom will cut it. I don't cut my hair.
Ooh, yeah, same. I also just make my own cut. Yeah. It's the cheapest way.
Yeah,
Okay? It's the best way.
exactly. Let's see. Enable validation layers. They push back weak extension debug utils extension name. What the? That's placeholder. It was like added. We used the weak extension macro here, which is equal to the literal string debug utils. Okay. And then extensions. Run the program. Make sure you don't have not % error. We don't need. And then here they do severity, message type, callback. Basically this. And then here we want the verbose, info, warning, error. Yeah. Let's see. I hope you have that set up, right? Why am I reading this on a separate page? Hello, Xiaohan. Where do we set up the debug callbacks here? Because we have all of these here. So why ain't it doing it? Am I missing something? Shouldn't this just be it, or am I I just do a print. This is bad, but I'm just gonna say test. Let's see what it does. Probably a new line would be nice too. Yeah, no. So we do actually print everything. And these are just info. But I would like to get a lot more. I don't understand. Why am I not getting any more information than... Like, I would like to have a lot more information. Are we sure these nuts are working?
Ah, that's what I was gonna say.
I mean, they should, right?
God damn it.
They seem to be alright, like, we have all the callbacks set up. and it just ants or pipe or them together. Purpose, error, info, like all of them seem to be fine. I don't understand why are we not getting the debug messages I would like to get. I ain't getting shit, bro. Let's see. Callback. It's not necessarily an error, but we're likely bugging your application. Information message like create. Yes. Info. This is what I want to see. Well, I guess this is also nice, but the info. Like creation of resources. Why am I not receiving those? Message parameter can have the following values. Debug utils message type general bit. Same event has happened that is unrelated to the specification perform. It's happened. Okay, these are just. Ah. Okay. Here. Let's see. Here, message severity, but we do have all of them here. Message type. And what do we do for message type? We do have. Do we have general? There is general extension, validation, message type, performance. Yes, they are the same. And then we do have also this, all of these ones, I suppose. We can actually print. Can I print binary, like the flags, or do I just print the actual value?
Yeah, you can. It's super annoying. I tried to do it once. Damn, it sucks. But I think it's like you do X and then something.
We'll
Or
just do
O
this.
maybe.
Let's see, where did it value? What? Forgot the new line. Oh, it only has value 1. Well, no wonder it doesn't work. Yeah, that's only this thing. So it doesn't receive the config values then. But how is that possible? Wait, init. Bro, can I go where? Brah. And then in the renderer, let's see. What the fuck is this? Oh yeah, it's the old thing. Here, we initialize this thing, and we do take the instance. Bro. Wait, oh my god. Yeah, wait. No, that should be fine. It should have all of this information in it, yeah. Debug. Okay, I'm just gonna do a print on config any, and I'm gonna print the config. So, bruh. Can I maybe do a little bit more information? Oh, I printed the type. Okay, let's see. Instance debug severities. Okay, that's the one I want to see. Bruh. Instance debug severities. Can you please give me a little bit more of that? It says that it wants them all to be true, but yet I don't see them all to be true. Let's see, then we come in here. Let's see, what does it say in here? it gets in here, says true, but then when it what the fuck? Are these if conditions even working?
Nope.
Apparently not. Or is it reading it as a or? It's probably not combining this correctly. Logic is probably reading this wrong somehow.
Now that should be right. I get that. It has worked for me previously.
Yeah, but for me I just get 1, and that means that only this one goes through. And then all of the other ones are somehow not applied, even though all of these are saying true in the config. Like I print out these values here. True, but it only takes the first one. And then it says, I'm done. Could it be that for some reason it evaluates this as true statement, and then it just doesn't continue with... If... Because
you can also just hard code it if you want.
Yeah. But this is so weird because it should... It should work, right?
Yeah, it should work.
Sig formatting off, on, what the fuck? What?
Yeah, I added that so it doesn't fuck it up.
Worksbench subcoders. Has anyone dealt with burnout or heavy stress episodes where you literally couldn't code or work at all? If yes, how did you cope with it or get back on track?
I haven't, but from people that I have heard, don't force yourself to work. Just chill. Just chill.
What?
It's no worries.
No. But they want to get their work done though. It's like, damn, yeah. You want to like work in like nice like confined like 8 hours. Like I did my 8 hours of like straight just going hard. But like other times when I'm like just learning and free forming it, where I'm just like rabbit holing, I'll go for like 15-20 hours straight on one topic. But if it's like work, you're building something, it's like, I don't know, 8 hours. Don't burn out.
Yeah, I think depends on like what you want to use as your coping mechanism or how you want to deal with it. For me, it's just I fear more not doing work than burning out, so I just work more instead. That's how I deal with it. Like I'm more afraid of not getting shit done. But it depends. Like it's maybe like it's actually how they define like burnout by the World Health Organization is just stress, lack of appreciation, and what was it in workplaces. And there's another thing, but I would say find somebody who you like and would like to be like, because then you can ask them how they deal with that kind of stuff, because then you're sure that you're aiming towards something that they are and you would like to be that too. Yeah, that's what I would do.
But he likes you. He's asking you.
If you wanna,
You just like
if
whatever you're saying, just
then I would just get crystal clear on what's your goal, what's your purpose, what you're gonna do, and then pursue that, because a burnout is not something that should be in the way of that. I feel that is a bad excuse of not getting your shit done, with all honesty. But it's, again, depends. Like that's how I would that is how I approach it. Yeah. And it's well, it's not really like what most people or society tells you. I see, thanks. Yeah. But again, like the most like either way, like what I say is just get it clear for you. What do you want and what do you want to approach and what do you want to do? And then I think you will quite clearly see what your next step will be. And if it's a break, then it's a break. But you have to be clear on that that's what you need or what you want to do. And it's good to like take a step back and just reflect and see things so you can move forward. I guess that's what I do. Like still, like when I feel like I have a lot to do, usually, and I don't see that I get shit done, then most of the time I just realize, okay, I actually need to think straight now. I need to get my shit done. So what's the problem here that is actually preventing me from doing the thing I need to do? Because it's usually just some mental thing that's going on in your mind, and it's just draining your energy away. So you need to fix that so you can get back at it. Get back at it.
Baguette at it.
Yeah, baguette at it. But I think Healthy Gamer also has like good, if that's more what you like. It's another YouTuber. Didn't want to bring heavy vibes, but really appreciate the answer. Yeah, no worries. I think it's also a little bit me trying to figure out, because like how do I answer to that question? It's usually because I feel it's so controversial or not following the status quo, my idea and opinion on it. But that's how I feel, and I'm trying just to get more comfortable expressing it as well. That's how I think about it, and I think it's perfectly okay as well, and I need just to get more okay with having my own thoughts and ideas. I think I will do this. Or will I? I can do this. Just making it a little bit more manual. But why did you write the SIG FMT there?
You can remove it and you can see.
Oh, so
you should keep the pipes for the stuff there.
Yeah, no,
and
no,
also
wait.
the L0.
No, I have a plan. I have a mega brain plan.
If it includes the keyboard, yeah, okay. Sure. If this doesn't help, I want you to take this back, because I don't think that will make a difference, and it's ugly as hell.
It is ugly.
Yeah.
How the fuck?
No.
Can I do this?
No, you can, but don't do it like that. In the if, like after the if statement, you want to do it like that.
After the if state.
Yeah.
So wait, if
before the constant though. Yeah. Here. And then equals, or pipe equals, yeah.
And then else.
No, no.
Do I need an else? Oh, I don't even need an else. Bruh, I cannot even do this. I'll just do this. Bam. Bruh, can I have space? I can't. Alright. By the way, is it still Cosmic DE? I remember you used that, but status bar is not like that default one. Ah, no. I don't use Cosmic, wait, DE. Desktop environment, no. I just use Hyperland now. Wait, how can I... Is there a cool thing you can flash to show that you use Hyperland?
You can type HYRP.
I'm not gonna do that, but I can just do... is there something?
Yeah.
System info, yeah, that's gonna be sexy to look at. Am I right?
There. Wow, that's so good.
Look at that! I mean, dude, that's just... There, that says that I'm using Hyperland, right? And I don't think so. Anyways, I'm using Hyperland. That's the takeaway, all right? No. All right, we're gonna try this now. Oh, that looks better. Look at all of those. There they are. I think. Is it all of them? I think it's all of them, right? Let's do one more time. It's not nicely formatted, but that's alright. So, yeah, now we got the full value. And Linux read sorted physical device. Yes, yes, yes. Then it goes through, it creates all of this. Memory allocate device, address is set, but buffer the Vulkan spec use if flags. Okay, now I get all of this, which I should probably fix. If stage use contains peak image storage bit, then the image view format feature must contain Giga4. Okay, I have to change a lot of these things. But we're gonna fix these crazy ones. We'll create descriptor set layout. Invalid sampler object. The Vulkan spec if descriptor type is VK descriptor type sampler or VK combined image sampler and descriptor count 1, not 0. Not p-mutable sampler is not null. P-mutable sampler must be a valid pointer to an array of descriptor count valid. Yes, that says a lot. Is there anything before that could be an issue? There is all of that, which is kind of sad that I haven't caught those. Don't falling within the begin and end range of a Vulkan descriptor. Maybe we'll take a few steps to just look at a few of these, because I would like to catch these ones before I move on, because those can pile up on each other and that can create an issue and we don't like that. We don't like that. Let's just go with not using these ones for now, and then I can also just do this. And we can do that. Draw image barrier. Okay, we're not gonna. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to do that if I don't have that. But I don't want to do anything in here. I just actually don't want to do this call at all. Can I do if true and don't have to fix this thing? Okay, maybe that will work. Let's see, no field descriptor and struct renderer. Line 172. Damn it. The D in it. Okay, we will not free anything. Okay, maybe we'll free stuff. We will not. These things can go. I don't have a D in it for something is missing a D in it here right now. Okay. We shouldn't have any issues though. Why is it still trying to... Copying all device, removing, insert device, Chronos validation. I think it's having a hard time freeing shit. P change include a structure with unexpected structure. Oh! PQ create info, okay. So the create info, create device has something that shouldn't be there. Let's see. Wait, where's Vulkan there? Physical device here. Create info. Wait, PQ infos. Here. But that one shouldn't be. Include struct with the unexpected VK structure, physical device, dynamic rendering features. Why is that unexpected? This order is based on the valid usage documentation for version 3.28 of Vulkan header. It's possible that you are using struct from a private extension or an extension that was added to a later version of Vulkan header, in which case the use of pcrate next is undefined and may not work correctly with the validation enabled. The Vulkan spec states it's okay. Vulkan version 3.28. What Vulkan are we running right now on this thing?
1.3.
Is this talking like 1.328?
I don't know the patch. I think it is patch 0.
For version. Vulkan states each pnex member of a structure, including this one, is the next either null or a pointer to an instance. Yeah, okay, but this. How far did you check the dynamic rendering features for
Not
this?
at all.
Okay.
Not for at all. Like I'm not sure this even like works at all. I didn't really come that far.
Okay. In that case, we'll come back to it later anyways. I think they haven't talked about it in the other one yet. So we will just do this for now. Yep, that looks better. These are just information.
Nuts.
I don't know why it's not closing though, but we will get to it. Then we can do the Vulkan memory. I can hear, because we don't have a capped frame rate. Or maybe we do, depending on the percent mode. This seems to be fine as well. Good. Yep. And we'll take the next one back. But this is so much nicer with the validation layers. Holy shit, I love them. Mwah. If I could, I would marry the validation layers. Yep, it seems that everyone now uses Hyperland. DHH made this year of Linux. What is DHH?
Don't know.
Ah. How do you get don't know from DHH?
Baga.
Oh wait, I need a draw image if I'm gonna do this. Did I take the... Wait, what? Yeah, I'm not doing the pipeline yet. I'm just doing the... Yeah, this thing. Okay, let's see. Oh, no! Here we have a lot of... This is the creator of Omarchy distro. Ah! Those people. Let's see. That's... Yeah, I guess. I think also Windows 10 stopped their long-term support, which probably will contribute. And many people will probably switch over to Ubuntu, which is pretty cool. Yeah. The following VK image creating returns VK error for not supported when calling VK get physical device properties. Format type, tiling, usage, use transfer, Each of the following values as described with an image crate limits must not be undefined. What? Image crate max mix, image crate max extent, image crate sample count. I think I can do one thing to get a little bit cleaner formatting here, because this is so beautiful to read, I'm not gonna lie. Is that we see here, I can probably just go like this, and then another new line, just to get a little bit of better formatting, because this is horrible. Bam. There we got like errors. That's a lot cleaner. And then there's, well, this is a bit, maybe this is a bit too much. But for the time being, I would prefer it for this, because this is horrifying to read otherwise. What do we have? Following week, return error format not supported. Create info, error format not supported. When calling get physical device image format properties. Create image. But we do get the format in here. VM create image. Allocate info. Wait, but doesn't it need the image info somehow? Yeah, there it passes, and there it gets the format. I'm pretty sure that should be a valid format. Image format R8GB. Why is that not fine? That should be fine. Swap chain format. I'm like 90% sure about that should be a valid format. Let's see. Here we have the same thing. Yo, what's up, Clintos? How you doing, bro? I'm doing great. How about you? I should actually be doing a little bit of physics, to be honest, but I will do. I will do some physics. Okay, wait. Here they used this thing. Did you just hard code in your draw format to? Well, I guess that works. I didn't do that, but why? I don't like that. Well, I guess you could do that. What do they put the format? They just... Oh! Yeah, no, that's not gonna match. No, that's not going to match at all. Okay, I will also just forget about that. And where do we even use the format then? Image view. I think this one also needs to use the same as up there. I don't think I can use a different one because this is gonna be so specific for this. All right. Let's see. Yep, seems to have gotten rid of that one at least now. That's good. Chilling. Week 2 at my new job, setting in well. Oh, nice. Merge a bunch of bugs fixed for the iOS app the company owns, and the team seems to like my progress so far, so I'm feeling good. That's great. What are you working on at the moment? Legendary music selection, by the way. Well, yeah, thank you. At the moment, we're just trying to set up the Vulkan renderer. We have some pretty cool plans for the whole project. It takes a little bit though to do the whole Vulkan stuff, but I like it. You know, with every bug that comes with it, it's just more understanding, trying to understand what the fuck. I don't know. It's something nice with still doing everything from scratch and trying to understand what actually happens when you run something on a system. I would still like to do something a little bit more with shaders, like CUDA or something like that. Yeah. You must be learning so much from this, though. I guess. Yeah. I should be learning a little bit more physics, probably. But I don't know. It's also a little bit taking advantage of the things that like kind of comes to mind. And like I try to dedicate more time to stuff that I know that I can do more on it, I can focus more on it, I can get that shit done, and then I go hammer on that project. Physics I do when I kind of know more about like what I should be learning in that area, but right now I'm like, I know I'm not good, but if I were to do exercises, I wouldn't even know like why I would be doing them, because it's like I know basics, but I would just be doing exercises just because, and that feels like I could do it, but I feel like I learn faster by doing this, and then if I find here something that I could apply with physics, then I would probably do something with physics. That would be cool. Yeah, I can imagine. I'd love to do something low level like you are doing. Looks complicated, but must be rewarding though, right? Yeah. Man, you got it. Also, any reason you haven't really been doing the Minecraft clone, or just no reason in particular? Quite a few reasons. I think I wanted to try a lot of different things out. I was like, I don't want to be stuck on that Minecraft clone. And also I kind of didn't like C++, so I went away from it and started doing Sig. I was thinking of doing it in C, but then Sig came. I was like, whoa, Sig is damn pretty cool. And I went on with Sig. And then I just tried a lot of, or I have been doing a lot of different projects. And right now, this project, the thing is, we're making a Minecraft clone is, yes, you could do that, and it would be freaking sick. But who's gonna play your Minecraft clone when there's already 50 million other ones, and then there's the actual Minecraft? But now I'm trying to actually create something that I think is unique to some extent. And, well, you could basically say it's Risk of Rain, but with planets. And I think the thing that, like, with this whole thing that I'm trying to do, it's gonna be just so freaking interesting. Like, hot reloading both for the renderer and the multiplayer aspect is like the plan. And I'm gonna be building so many tools that I can just take over to the next projects that I'm gonna make. Yeah. And I feel like this I could actually make to a playable game that people could play, and that it's not just gonna be an, well, Minecraft clone, which it's still a great project. I still would love to do it, but I'm trying to find where can I be a little bit more creative and innovative and not just make another clone, you know? Well, this is a Risk of Rain clone in a way, but not really. Damn, Risk, yeah, that sounds amazing, exciting to watch your progress. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do, depending on how this next period, it's starting next week, well, that is like the next month almost, how intense that is. If it's not too intense, I will start to do the videos again, maybe spend a little bit more time live streaming, because I like programming a lot. What's one of the unique ideas you're really excited to begin implementing? The hot reloading aspect. This one.
No, that one.
This one.
That one.
The hot reloading aspect. Like, I'm thinking, like, I will be able to, when you're in a multiplayer game, like, let's say these are two people, beautiful people, and while both clients are connected, this is the server, right? Both of the clients are communicating with the server. I will be able to change the, this is a cogwheel. I will be able to change the game logic in here while people are connected. Thank you. While people are playing,
looks like something
are playing and are connected, and that's like what will be the craziest thing at all. In the beginning, it will be just I will have the server and then me myself as a client. So this will be kind of like the idea prototype of the thing. We have been thinking about using the SpacetimeDB. I'm gonna for this, but now I realized that we are writing in Sig, and then this is spacetime is in Rust, and we can't use, like, it's a lot easier if we just use the same, so we probably have to write our own server as well now with sockets, so we can utilize the same physics libraries and logic and the ECS. So this is like quite a huge project, and it might not be the greatest looking, but at the same time, like, it's gonna be so freaking cool. Like, you're gonna have control of every single detail. Well, except I'm using the Vulkan API, but you know, like that's. I mean, if I go any deeper than that, then yeah, bro, I don't know. But like, I don't know. It's something with that I have made games using game engines before, like not any professional, but still like, and I always feel so limited by. You have to think, what does the engine provide, so I can do the thing. But now it's like there is nothing. You gotta make the damn thing, and it's like I can't even Google like how do I make a laser beam in my engine. Like, you can't do that. you have to create it. Oh, so you can make changes to the server live whilst people are playing. That sounds so cool. Yeah. Oh, hey, it's a invisible voice guy. What's up? Yes, lol. They are speaking to you, the invisible guy on the other line of the headset, or what am I supposed to say?
I don't know.
Oh, there's another one.
But
Has a VK memory allocate device address bit set, buffer device feature is not enabled. The Vulkan space, if memory flags include VK allocate device address bit, the buffer device address feature must be enabled. VK allocate memory, wait, what? VK allocate flags info. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of times where I also question if I should spend more time on university stuff. But then again, I think like I will be able to like I do university as much as I can and as I find it interesting. But then I believe like this is gonna be like more of the thing that I can actually do, and I feel like I'm most productive here, just programming and talking with you guys. I don't know. Harold and me have quite often some very nice debates, and sometimes some other random dude just joins in and be like, "What the fuck are you doing?" And we're like, "What do you mean?"
Yeah, and it's actually like we're talking about something, and we both think we're right, and then Damon joins and he just says that we're both wrong, and then we both say,
Bang.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, that sounds pretty accurate. I would say, like, not too far-fetched. Okay, but this is then the Vulkan memory allocator, which is doing something wrong, probably because I'm passing something wrong to it. Fuck. What am I?
Intern.
Well, I guess we could do an intern for this one, actually. I don't want to do the intern though. I'm probably passing. Yeah, okay, wait. I'm passing this somewhere. I have to be passing it somewhere, right? There's no way that. What? Really? Does not fall within the begin and end. Okay. This is actually. I don't know really how to solve this because this is not in my control, because that's when I create the Vulkan memory allocator. 110% sure about that. We don't need those prints anymore. This one I still like to have, but here, init this thing. I have to be doing something really wrong here. Here, PMA allocator create buffer device address bit. Here, this thing. So, what did I miss from this part when they got the thing? I have to be missing something. No? Just to explain,
No.
because I mean, wait a minute. Oh, okay, this is not maybe the. Oh shit. Yes. I should not be doing it like this. Even though it's the same thing, but I prefer to see stuff. Oh wait, these are right. I think we should still use the handles though, and not the actual. But it's okay.
No.
Blah.
Error.
Fuck. Whatever. Okay, it's not whatever. It's sad. This might not be. Vulkan completely accurate. It means you're asking Vulkan to allocate memory with the device address, but Vulkan device does not have the buffer device address features enabled. Cause VM to set the device address bit on all allocation. The flag requires Vulkan physical device address feature address equals true, but in your code it looks like you never enabled the feature when creating the logical device. Enable buffer device address feature. Okay, so I probably just forgot. Device create info. So I just need this. Wait, so it's not a physical device buffer device address features. Okay. Did I add it? Did I somehow miss it? No way, I actually did miss it, bro. Get physical device features. Device, this is the thing, right? And then they want us to have a buffer features. Here. At the P next. Did I actually miss it? Wait. Did they talk about it? They don't even mention it, but it seems like it actually has to be there. Okay. Oh wait, here. No, wait. Physical device. No, but those are just enabled features. Wait, is it hallucinating something that doesn't exist? No, P layer next exists definitely, but so you don't put them in. You put them like this? Really?
Yep.
Well, I guess it would also be cleaner just to create the whole thing here and not whatever.
Yep.
Yep. But this is inside Vulkan, so I can just say C instead. And then it will do this and just that.
Intern.
No. Shut.
Intern.
Shush.
Intern.
Wait, did you make a freaking? No way, it did.
You know, Damon has his own Discord server, which he boosts so much that he can have just infinite sounds, basically.
I do have
So, yeah.
infinite sounds.
Brother. Where is it? Okay, is it actually hallucinating right now? Because I don't see this. Well, whatever, let's see. Yep, it went away. But that's so weird because the documentation doesn't even mention that if I use this, that I should be doing that. That's so weird. Wait, hey, come on. There's... Oh wait, but this is not right. No, it's me just being stupid probably. Okay.
Precisely.
Indeed, very much. Okay, but now we can look at this create info pool size 0 type. Does not fall within the
Indeed.
begin and then okay, so I'm passing something wrong in the trade pool. So we will. Here is this. What is this thing? Ah, okay. Okay, what are we passing wrong here? The device should not be wrong. The pool. No, none of this should be wrong except this thing can definitely 110% can be wrong. Okay. This can definitely be wrong. What if I just did this? Would it be happy if I did that? Nope. What if I just do pointer cast? Okay. But that's weird. Const. Okay. Seems that that was the issue. Good. It seems to have valid info at least. Okay. Then we have this reset layout. Probably a similar issue because, yeah. Let's see, it takes in the descriptor info and this thing. What does it take in? It takes in this thing and then here. That's probably the issue there as well. Yeah. And whoa, create descriptor set layout still? Really? Okay. What does it say? Flags, descriptor value, descriptor set, extension that requires the extension VK descriptor set buffer. Okay, so we just need an extension. Is this a, what? Is it an instance or a... It's a device extension, I assume. I'm not 100% sure about that, but... VK extension, descriptor set, this... What the fuck? I want... There. Okay, I will be back tomorrow when it's done loading. You know what? Yesterday. Okay, let's see. Device extension, yes. So we will go to the main. And we will go here, device, swap chain. Wait, no, this is, wait, what the, how the, bro, pink. There. Bam, bam, bam. And now, let's see here. Trade level, trade info, bindings type 32 does not fall within the begin range descriptor. Okay, so it's still complaining. That something is wrong here. And in the bindings, pointer cast new bind len. What could possibly be wrong? It looks fine to me, but yeah, 32 shouldn't be the value. Descriptor type 32. It is 32, okay. What have I done wrong then? Descriptor type does
Your
not fall
phone
within
is
begin
ringing.
range of VK descriptor enumeration token and is not extension added token. So I probably have something wrong with that, and let's see, what do they put for their...
My gun goes pew pew
Pew, pew,
pew.
pew. Alright. Let's see. No? Here. They put the type equal to VK structure descriptor set layout create info. Is it just wrong? Hold on. The fuck do they do with these stages? For each binding, B stage, shader stage. This is what I don't like with C++. It's just randomly jumps somewhere else. It's like, why? Why? They do it for this temporarily and then it's just discarded. What the fuck? Oh, it's a reference bindings. The bindings are then all of them, isn't it? Hello, Beban. Right. Layout binding. Yo, what's up? Welcome back, Pig.
What did you just call me?
Yeah, I called you Pig.
How could you?
No biggie.
No piggy?
No biggie. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's right.
Sure. This should be fine. Not entirely sure why it's complaining. Descriptor type. For the first descriptor type, it got 32. Does not fall within our begin end range of a VK descriptor type enumeration token, and is not the extension. The works with the must be valid descriptor type. Okay, let's check out the valid descriptor types. So the types are, do they where do they talk anything about the types? Here. Oh god. I'm here, big boy. I will see. Okay. Let's see. Zero number elements. Whoa. But I'm pretty sure. Oh, fuck. I mean, that should be the correct 32, right? Yeah. Why is that then wrong? Did I use the wrong structure? No, I don't. Phew.
God bless you.
Oh, well, thank you. Woo! Could I be doing wrong then? Create descriptor set layout. Yep, that seems to be fine. Thank you, thank you. Woo! I don't understand. I feel like everything in here is valid. Except for maybe, could be, perhaps, this thing. But I don't think that. I think it's still pretty damn valid. But it's not apparently. So we'll have to think a little bit now. Binding pointer cast. I cannot see why this would be wrong. The documentation says it's also 32. This one is 32. We're passing in.
Intern.
Should I keep the intern a try on this?
I don't even know. I just hear you getting tired and struggling.
There must be valid descriptor type. Descriptor set layout. What are we talking about? Am I just providing the wrong thing here? Nah, that one is not wrong. There's no way that one would be wrong, would it? Okay, because here it just takes in the bindings, right? I'm pretty sure that is the correct. Yeah, those are the bindings. They are correct. Add binding is equal to that, scripture set count and type is equal to the type.
Someone say intern.
Binding
No.
0. Storage shader. Wait, what? Sorry, what?
Yes.
Am I doing this? Yeah, I'm
Yes.
yes. Type storage image. That's what it should actually be in. Yeah, wait, what? No, that's this. Oh my god. Oof. Oof. Maybe I should make it into those. Damn. I don't want those damn classes.
Yes, you.
Or I have to make them into structures actually, but and then I could use. I probably wouldn't use a dynamic. I would just use a static array. I would just append, which wouldn't be too wrong, but I don't like the way of them doing it. Let's see. Make the descriptor set layout for our compute draw. Descriptor set layout. Well, then we are still we're not talking about this. This is the pool. The descriptor set layout is descriptor set layout there. Info. Wait, what? That's the no. What are you working on? We are working on a cool project. Shader stage compute. Why do you have the same bit twice? That's not right. I can understand the second one, but let's see. Scripture set type 35. How did that? What the fuck? Okay, that one is 35 now. Well, that now it's maybe start making a little bit more sense that this is actually wrong. I've been thinking about the wrong thing probably. Oh wait, it is talking about. Oh yeah, no, that makes sense. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's crazy talk, bro. What do I actually want is if I think about the bindings in the sense of maybe I just don't want this one. Wait, let me try. Is the project going to be a video? Yes, it's going to be a video. Yeah. Okay. That's better. Do you know the game Risk of Rain? I think I might split this one up to multiple videos as I have done before. Depending on time and stuff, but I don't know. I'm gonna get back to uploading. I uploaded today actually a short. Just because I recently for a while I've been using Arch Linux now. And I was like, how do I actually make a video using DaVinci Resolve on Linux? and then I was like, we had a little bit of fun in the Discord, and I uploaded this thing.
What?
Guys, how do
Did
you
I-
write strings in Sig?
dude,
I write like
your
const
short, it's got
mystr
like
at
1,000
vector
views.
14u8 equals
What? Which one? The string one?
What the
Yeah.
fuck?
Yeah.
Oh, it makes
The
your
one- the one
PC
you
explode.
uploaded
Yeah.
this morning.
Oh, that's
Agree.
crazy.
Where's my?
But I don't know, maybe that's not too much in shorts.
It's because
Guys,
he's got
how
the picture of the dude there.
Yeah.
It reeled him in.
Yeah, well, everybody join in. But it's gonna be a video, this project. I have like 3 videos that are like, I got the footage. I haven't just gotten to the video editing because I've been focusing so much on school's nuts and physics.
I don't think Lucas heard.
No, I didn't. What did you say?
I said your short's at 1,000 views.
Sure, that's a pretty good one, you know?
Yeah.
The one you just uploaded like
Yeah.
4 hours ago.
Yeah, but shorts usually they have their lifetime span is like about 4 hours or something like that. 2 hours is
Dude,
more.
I still don't think he computed that, Harold.
No, problems.
Bro,
That's fine.
they usually reach their peak within 2 hours and then they die. Those are the shorts. They
Right.
are literally shorts. Okay, give them 1 day and they have pretty much accumulated everything they will accumulate. They won't really pop up anymore after that. In my experience. Anyways,
Yeah.
next thing, create descriptors at layer, create flags is what? How long have you been a game dev? Depends what you
Low.
count by a game dev. I don't know really if I could consider myself a game dev yet even. Well,
Damn, Lucas, look at the screenshot I sent you.
like it depends, like of course, like what did you send? Sure, that's fire. Anyways. What was I supposed to yeah, game dev. I think, when did I write my first ever game that was actually playable? I don't know, not too long ago, like a few years back, maybe. Like, I'm trying to actually think. I think when I actually started to try to become a game developer is like 2023. Like, that's when I actually started to like, yeah, I can make games, right? And then I actually started, maybe 22. Somewhere there. But I actually
Yeah,
wrote,
making games is hard.
yeah, but I started like my first programming 2014. That's when I tried some HTML and bash scripts and CSS, and then also a basic like programming scripting language, which was called Out of It. And this one I used to make. This one I used to make games, or not games, bots for games, so I could make in-game money without playing the game.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, but like 10 years later, I actually started to make my first games. That's crazy. But yeah, that's my journey. Lol, I got some games I made on itch.io back when I was like 17 or 18 using Game Maker. Shameless self-promotion, illegal Lucas moment. Nah, it's fine. I like to see other people's project and what they also do. I even have a self-promotion channel on my Discord where you are free to send whatever, even if you go live or have a competitive YouTube channel that's trying to steal all my subscribers. It's fine. Nah, I think sharing what you create is really cool. Yeah. Alright. VK create descriptor set layout. VK create info. Flags is VK descriptor set layout create embedded immutable sample. That doesn't sound right. The Vulkan specs, if flag contains VK descriptor embedded, flag must be also contain VK descriptor set layout create descriptor set buffer bit extension. Well, that sucks. Do I for real tell it? Yeah. No, wait, I didn't copy. Oh, wait, I did. Wait, hold on.
Allocator.
Allocator. I don't... No, I don't. Where does it get this from? Yeah, I don't even remember setting this. This is a bit scary because I don't do this. But I do this, right? And then here I pass the set layout info. So yeah, it's probably a flag here which is incorrect, which is something it should not be, which it's being perceived as being. I'm having my bets on this one now. This one should be fine. This one should be fine. Let's see. Because set layout general. Wait, what?
You're a bitch.
What the fuck? Structure descriptor set layout create info. Yeah. But then the flags here. I'm not so sure on those flags. Let's see. We're gonna find it. And
You're a broke boy, just say so.
descriptor says layout builder. No, those flags are also fine. Brother. But something is definitely wrong here. Is it trying to create info? No? It says that the flags... But the flags is not that. Okay, this is weird. Make a game in assembly that updates servers live with the AAA graphics. That's be something, some first video. That would be crazy, bro. Like assembly, it's awesome, but bro, just trying to make something in that, it's just like it's taking so damn long that I was just like, yep, nope, never again. Like I don't know, like I don't really see at that point anymore. Like that's too far for me. But I don't put this flag on. Why is it taking this flag for some funny reason? Out of nowhere. Okay, I guess we can get back to that one in a bit. But pcreate flag includes descriptor set layout and yeah, but these two are now in conflict because of this thing. And this one is also complaining because of that. So I think if we fix this one, we will not have these issues anymore. And then this one might actually become a valid object. So everything is on this thing now. Fuck. And it will be some 8 years old kid from Haiti. Yep. That sounds about right. Why does it make this assumption that I'm trying to do something like that? I'm not trying to do that. And wait, I do have no. This is the only place, right? And then I pass this thing. The allocator should be null. The set should be that. That's fine. The device cannot be wrong. The only thing, something here somehow. This is being misinterpreted to something that it's not. Huh. Let's take a look. Docs. Wait. Yeah, no, that looks completely and utterly wrong, maybe. Let's see. Because it's definitely misunderstanding what I'm trying to do with this thing. Descriptor set layout info. Well, while you're loading until tomorrow, I will just see how do they create the descriptor sets here. Introduction, drawing, framework for rendering.
Turn.
No. It's not intern time yet.
What do you mean? It's always intern time.
Where's the boom at?
Where's the boom?
Get out of here with all that intern
See.
nonsense.
Compute shader. They still don't use those damn flags. Bro, am I even supposed to put any flags here? Ah, let's see what happens if I don't put them. Well, that does look a bit better, but I don't know if it looks a lot better. I'm new game dev. Are there some tips you can give me? I think best tip that you can ever get, doesn't matter if you ask an experienced or also another newbie, is just start making games if that's what you wanna do.
No. The real advice is actually just don't.
Just stop. No,
Stop it.
what do you wanna create? Do you have a game like I guess you don't. Ooh. Yeah, like I would just say start making games if you want to make games. That's literally the only thing that's to it, and that kind of go for anything that you want to do. Just do the thing that you want to do. Yeah. And don't let anything stop you from doing it. Find more ways to help yourself dedicate to the thing you want to do. Invalid descriptor pool object. Descriptor pool sets. Wait, so I have an invalid descriptor pool. Couldn't find descriptor pool object. Okay, let's see. What am I doing? Okay, I just removed a flag. I don't know if that's the right thing to do here, but I removed it and it seems to compile and run. So we'll go with that. Descriptor pool. Bro, is it because I'm trying to do? Should I just not do that? Yeah, okay, I should not do that. And let's see, there's another error. P-code doesn't appoint to a spiral module. This first D word is not the spiral magnet. Okay, so create module is wrong. That's okay. We will find it and we will fix it. Also for game dev. That's so broad still, like maybe if you could explain a little bit more what you mean by that. There. No, wait, that cannot be the issue. P code it's incorrect. How can that be? That should be definitely completely fine. Let me think. It shouldn't be too large either. Let me see. Print size. And it's okay if you don't really know what you mean by becoming a game developer. Then I would just say start doing it. Then you will find out. Well, I haven't yet figured it out, but you know. Yeah, size is only 2048, so I think this buffer should be more than plenty in that case. And unless the slice is incorrect. I think I might have to pass the address actually, not the thing. And also, depending if you want to get a job in another place, I would probably not ask advice from me.
A job?
Yeah, because I don't have a job. in game development. I just do stuff. So
You're asking Lucas for a job.
yeah. No, I would probably ask somebody who
Gotcha.
works in the industry in that case. But I think they would also just say that
Yeah, like
start making games is still the best way. But if you want something a little bit more towards like more secure advice, I guess. I don't know. I would probably like not ask me. What the fuck am I doing wrong here? Wait. Expected type const found pointer. So wait. It's actually expecting to not have... What? Ain't no way. Okay. So the source said this. And the buffer said this.
Bro, what happened to your terminal? Why are you like reading hieroglyphs?
No, I'm just checking that they're saying the same thing, and they are pretty much saying the same thing. Except for the fact that I just realized that... Wait. No, those are fine. I just want to redo that. So... yeah. They are saying the same thing, and I'm not missing any characters, and they are both starting with this. Yeah, let's say std.450 main. Am I reading something wrong? I have an interesting game dev, but all my games have been so far just unfinished. One thing that I think is like the best thing you can go with if you want to, well, become better. I think you need to expose yourself more in the sense of show what you got, and
Yeah,
I think
expose yourself.
expose yourself. Show
Get
how,
exposed.
like, go with the attitude that I'm gonna show the world how bad I am, how much I suck, how worthless I am. I'm gonna show them everything that I can just do, and based on that, you will get a lot of feedback. You will get a lot of probably criticism as well, but most people won't care. Like, honestly, if you see somebody doing poorly, you're just like, meh. Like, you have your own life to worry about anyways. So most people don't care if you do bad. If you do good, or if you do average, it's like, you might get some people who like it, and then if you do really good, well, then you will just get a big bonus and a lot of criticism, and then especially because people will notice you. But then you already have pretty good, and if you do, I don't know, if you do something that people hate, people will hate you either way what you do. So, I mean, you can't really get rid of that. But don't be afraid to show what you got, because, yeah, there's no other way you can show what you got than showing it. And you don't have to do like something extraordinary and expect like a lot. I think best way to get that kind of like feeling for it is starting to do quantity rather than quality, because then you kind of get used to the feeling of just showing stuff, and it will be shit. And some people will just say like, can't you just sit down and like do something real? But the point is just to get used to that when you actually sit down and do something real, you are not afraid of showing it once it's done. And I would say like, do something crazy. Like, I would, like, for real, like if I wanted to do like proper game like practicing, I would like game dev practicing, I would probably try to do something crazy like a game a day or something like that. And I'm talking like just simple games, Tetris, Snake, make it 3D, or do something like crazy like that. That would my plan be, because you need those reps. It's like going to the gym. You don't go to the gym and lift 200 kilos on bench at once and then become super buff. No, you die if you do that. But you go to the gym, you do a lot of reps, and then you take a little bit of recovery time, and then you go again, and then you take a little bit of recovery time, you go again, and you do multiple reps. There's, of course, a bit of quality has to be there. You can't just go and swing the weight however you want it. That ain't gonna do shit. But a little bit of quality, but I say the quantity is more important. And then once you become really good, and then you go and do those bodylifting championships where you lift the 200 kilo one time and show everybody in the world how strong you are, then it counts that one rep. But before then, you're gonna have to do a million once, and you're gonna they are like basically all for nothing basically until you actually have something big. But this again, like, that's my philosophy. What's I gonna do now? Right, figure out why these shader modules ain't working. But I feel like that should be. Oh wait. Oh God, no. Oh wait. Could it be because of the U8 and U32 conversion here? It shouldn't be, right? Oh, but the len. Could it be?
Maybe.
For saying that you're new to game, you have great advice. I think the advice I'm giving is not per se directly for game development. It's just life philosophy that I read a lot about. Well, philosophy. I think a lot about that, and then it's just how I approach basically anything in life nowadays. If you want to become good at something, you have to just suck more in order to become good at something. You have to fail more to be good. It's so paradoxical, but just that's how it is. Yeah, I was asking, is it because of this? It says that the P code, like the beginning and the identifier of the shader module, is incorrect. And I'm making the assumption it's because I'm using U8, and then I'm passing the length based on U8, but then I'm using U32. Oh yeah, probably. But I can't just divide the size by 4. That's just super. I mean, I guess I might be lucky enough for it to work. Let's see. Yeah, now I didn't. No, it's still saying the same thing. Yeah. Oh, I was like, what the fuck. But I would assume that something like this is the issue. Can I read it into? Should I go with a different ChatGPT? ChatGPT. What is my alternative approach to this?
Yes.
I'm not gonna provide it. I will see if it tells me something completely different that is super obvious. But Gotcha and Vulkan, blah blah blah. It's not what's wrong in here? File text not as binary. By default, open file text mode. Oh. Stream binaries are not UTF-8. They are binary blob because they're blah blah blah. Here's how to fix your shader module. Let's see. So they want a flag to have read equals true. Okay. And then we just wait. There isn't such a thing even as okay. It's hallucinating. Don't worry, we'll fix it. What could be the equal to that? There's a mode. Probably it's the mode thing.
Intern.
Isn't it by default this anyways?
Harold.
Yeah, it's
Well,
probably
he
by
needs
default.
you.
It doesn't need that information. Okay. And then it goes heap allocator. I don't think that's read to end alloc. Max int, that's the same thing, free. Yeah, and then okay, then it divided by 4. Make sure that the data size multiple is 34 byte aligned. Prepare shader module, create info. But you cannot use if you just said what estimate max int use size. You just unless if this one reads 32 bits at a time. Read alloc. I think it's I don't know. Now it's inventing its own language now.
What, Grok? Or ChatGPT?
ChatGPT. Yeah, look at Harold. Look at this beautiful syntax that it's inventing. Or can you actually do this? There's
Oh
no...
yeah, that.
Intern.
No, you can't. The thing is that it's just because in like older versions of Sig you did it like that. Yeah, imagine the casting back then. Yeah, but it's not like that nowadays. Instead of you have to do as. But the thing is, if you do equals as, and then there's just one thing, please instead of doing as, and then the type, you specify the type because then it will figure it out.
What do you mean? Oh, you mean
You
this
probably
thing?
won't
Like
understand,
just put
yeah,
colon 32 U32 instead of this thing. Or the
I mean,
as.
yeah, basically.
Yeah. Man,
Instead of as, yeah.
this one is
Because
going
as
like
is ugly.
crazy, inventing new, bro. Better make a PR to get to the Sig repo and tell them to invent this AI slop syntax.
Oh yeah, of course. I will. I'll tell them. They'll be like, oh yeah, we'll add back this feature we removed like 3 years ago. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
Great, fucking bro. But why is this not fine? I would this should be fine.
Brother,
But point to blah blah blah. Oh, this is something I could actually use the intern for, because now I'm a hell of unsure. But no, it's, you know, it's gonna pass an allocator into this thing, and I'm trying to avoid to use an allocator. I don't want to use an allocator, bro. That's what it. I'm 100%
tell the
sure.
intern no allocator. Just be like, no fucking allocator, you're fired. Linus Torvald will find where you
Bro.
were created and unplug you.
Like, it's fine if you use an allocator, but you know, you probably want to avoid it. Yeah.
No, I think it's so redundant. Like,
Make sure you're
I
ready
don't-
to stash.
Right, that's actually true. Got Git. Got Vulkan validation layers working, and started fixing. What else should I? That's pretty good. Okay. Then we can do Claude. Let's see. Should you are Linus Torvald? No, fix my shit.
Nice. Just,
Wait, was it plan mode like
I don't
that?
know, yeah, plan mode and thinking on.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Now you're at full power.
Can you fix my shader loading? And then I will just... Well, I guess it should probably figure this out without having me to show that, but...
Well, more context. No, more context, the better. Like,
Yeah.
it's cool to like watch it figure it all out, but if you
Don't
definitely want it to
add
just do a job, you should tell it.
any allocators. Okay, let's see.
And then you can do at. You can do
Oh.
damn. Well, maybe you can do like at and then point to the file like too as well.
Oh, I could have
Because
done
now
that.
it's gonna take a look for it's gonna be like, oh, okay, well, which file are you talking about, homie?
Well, shit pants. Well, that sucks a
No,
lot.
it's
That
not
sucks a
that
lot of
big of a
ass.
It'll figure it out.
Oh, it will figure it out.
It probably
Canoodling.
already found it,
It's
man.
canoodling, bro.
Dude, it's hex dumping. Like what?
Incorrect code size calculator.
What's it say?
Okay, yeah, that's irrelevant, bro. It's gonna nah. Let's see what it's trying to do. The shader load fix plan. You have to identify the incorrect code size calculation. That's fine. Wrong pointer casting line. You're casting source instead of properly accessing the buffer data. Well, that's because I wanted it to just be this thing, because otherwise you will get all of those extra nulls at the end. I don't want those. But fix code change from to n. Okay, not words. Fix pointer casting change to. Okay, I guess that might actually be.
You could also do like no and then tell it like what like because obviously it's still like thinks about like older.
I will take
fucking-
manually approve edits. Let's see. But it's right in most of the cases, but I don't think this thing I don't think. Well, it's well, you could also just do the slicing down the line and wouldn't have to do it like just creating a whole nother variable for it. That's also a valid approach. Let's see. Yeah, that one, sure. Yes. Oh no, look at that. Increase pointer alignment. Fuck. Oh. No, what? Do you want me to... Okay, I can't remove those. Those were mainly just for me to confirm that it actually was reading anything at all. But I can remove those, yeah, that's fine. Confusing,
Yeah, it just says random words down there.
Perfect,
No,
I fixed your
no,
shader
no.
loading issue. Well, that looks like that's... Damn.
Thanks, Linus. Thanks,
Thanks,
Linus.
Thanks, Linus. Wow, that's crazy.
No, you gotta tell it to like just do build. Tell it to like build zig run.
Right, I wanna try. Ah, no, it's expected const found. Okay. No, no, but I think this actually might be. Let's see. I'm gonna try. Add a line cast. Let's see. Oh, okay, okay. Panic incorrect alignment. Well, fuck me. Okay, well, it will either way do this thing that I just did, so, well, thank you, Linus.
You can tell it to build.
Try to build. What?
What?
Great build complete. I think it's.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah, because they actually have to run the thing. That's right. Otherwise, this will just. It will build. Let's see what is the build successful source is a U pointer, byte pointer, but Spirit needs a yes. The alignment is trying to force the line, but the underlying buffer isn't properly aligned. Place the fixed size buffer with a perfectly aligned allocation. Replace var buffer with mem align allocated slice using mem align forward, or better yet, allocate the shader data with the proper alignment using allocated page align. But bro, you won't use any allocators. You should be able to just allocate U32 and write bytes to that. Then you have correct alignment. I could do that. I mean, read from the file into a YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Expected found. Change the buffer type from U32 directly. Read the file as 32-bit words instead of. Your alignment is wrong only because U8 array has single byte alignment. Yeah. Change var buffer. Well, it's gonna go do the change you just said. It's vibing, bro. No, it's vibing, but it's orange.
Vibe. Vibe.
And then it's red.
Vibe. It's just gonna help you get over this little hurdle here, and then you'll be on your way again tomorrow.
Yeah. Error editing file. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. But it's still like an issue. Like the read only takes in. Oh wow. Okay, let's see. What the fuck did it do? It changed this to U32. Then bytes read. File read all. Slice as bytes buffer. You can do that.
I don't know. Can you?
Bytes read. Why would you divide it by? Okay, and then it does that. Yes. Yep. Okay, that's crazy stuff. But why would? Okay, sure. I really don't. I don't know, bro. This is crazy.
It might be using old Zig memory. I might have to go into the source. Like a good little lad.
The intern is cooking. Yeah, the intern is cooking.
Oh. There you go. Allocator free shader buffer.
Seems to be fine. Titifying. Ah. What?
Get it defying?
Gitifying? Okay, but STD mem slides as bytes. Interesting. Yeah, that's fine. I think it can stop. Let's see.
Oh, okay, it's got a background task. No.
Yeah, no, it's because it gets stuck. If it works, it just gets stuck in an infinite loop for some funny reason.
No, go back to the agent, and then click on the terminal, and then press down, like on your arrow key.
Yeah.
All right, and now click enter, and then press K. There you go. Because you canceled it, but it was still running a background task.
Okay.
It's just some random PID running on your computer.
Okay, but it did this thing. STDMem sliced bytes. Why could I not just have done this? Yeah, it wants it to be a U8, and apparently this thing just slices bytes. Gives a slice, returns a slice of underlying bytes preserving pointer attributes. It's all good. Yeah. And then you just take this. Now we're also just passing, even though it might be an alter, but that seems fine. Alright. We can go back to the renderer now. And now we can finally take the... Wait, what do we want? What is the next thing? We want the... We want the... I never assigned this to here. Okay. A bit of a troll, but that's okay. Oh, and now we can take the pipeline in and see what that will do. And then the D in it. Alright, let's see. Where's the damn window? Ah, because there's a few pipeline issues. Create info, spirit shader, use descriptor set 0, binding through variable image, type descriptor image, but the VK descriptor stage flag was VK stage flag 0. The Vulkan spec stage, if a resource variable is declared in the shader, a corresponding descriptor set in layout must match the shader stage. So... Compute shader pipeline, create info. Shader stage compute bit. Make it a storage unit, but the VK set binding stage was... Okay. Okay, yes, so... Stage flags was... Shader flags 0. Uh-huh. Oh, I don't set those stage flags at all. Bruh, that's fine. Damn, you doxed your GPU, Drover. I doxed my GPU. Oh, it's Drover. It's Drover. Add binding, and then a type, and there I should put. No, add binding. We can descriptor type. But I need to give it some stage flags? What the fuck? Okay. This is the thing that I'm also like, what the where do these come into play even? They literally just take bruh. Reference. Okay, these are the binding stuff. Where do we use these? Bindings data. Ah. Probably this. Descriptor set layout builder. So I need to find where the p bindings happens. Here they happen. So we are trying to find out from this thing. We now need all of the bindings and the p bindings, but that's no, wait, bindings. Why? Isn't this just taking okay the data? Oh, but then each binding, wait, yeah, each binding gets a stage flag, which the okay, so here we want the stage. What? Yeah, there should be a thing called stage flag. And what? I'm still trying to find where they add pushback new binding, C binding. Actually, I don't care about shader stages. So I care where they call this thing from. Device, shader stage flags. Yeah. Here they do one of those. Shader stage compute bits. There. Okay. Now it seems to be fine, but we're not actually drawing anything, which is yeah. But it should be drawing something. Well, anyways, this should just go and kill itself. Well, something went bad. Incorrect alignment. Pointer cast. Okay. Scriptor. Let's get that thing right at least. Let's see, where's the init here? Whoa.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, yes.
Pointer cast.
My name is Lucas. I do Lucas things with my fellow Lucas friends.
Allocator.
Oh yeah, it needs to get rid of that, this, and pointer cast is but it's incorrect alignment if I do that. Incorrect alignment. What if I do descriptor? It should be fine. Don't know why it's not. Expected type of... Oh, it expected a const. But it's
I guess not really.
Alright. Well, we'll just let it leak. Well, that doesn't actually align, it just asserts that it's correctly aligned, so you know. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, destroy device has not been... pipeline layout has not been properly destroyed, and that's... Yeah. VK pipeline. Yes. So now they're just not set layout here. Yeah, this one is not destroyed, so it's kind of cannot destroy anything else. Now I need to figure out why I cannot just pass it in. Huh.
I don't know, Zig.
C const. I feel like a pointer cast should be enough. Why isn't the pointer cast just enough? It's literally even also like it's just this thing. Why can't I just pass it in raw? I think that should also be fine. What time? Nah, it's whatever. Expected.
Back.
Harold, how do I fix expected type C const? And I don't have that, what I pass in.
Yeah, pointer cast.
Yeah, I tried that, it didn't work. Because then I need to align cast, but align cast doesn't work either. Because apparently it's just asserting something.
Dominance?
What are you even trying to do?
Pointer cast increase pointer alignment.
Yeah, that's fine. It's align cast also.
Yeah, but that doesn't work. Then it says incorrect alignment. Incorrect alignment.
What does the VK3 descriptor set want?
Found expected opaque opaque. It says take address no. But this one should already be an address.
Can I see the code here?
It's just a Vulkan free descriptor set.
Does it want an array maybe?
Right.
It's hard to know. But
it wants an array.
Yeah, okay.
So wait, do I just give the pointer of the thing then?
Yeah, no, you do remove the pointer and alignment cast, just remove it. Yeah, and then you do ampersand dot curly brace. We're just making an array on the fly right now. Yeah, no, just put this as the only thing.
Double pointer versus pointer, I mean...
What does it say?
It says, yeah. Type season does not support initialization syntax. No addresses. At as?
It's as, I mean ampersand and then the thing, yeah. We can try to be extra like declarative, I guess. So remove the dot.
Yeah, let's just do this. Like, wouldn't this also be fine just to give that when it's
You
just
can
one?
try, I guess.
Ah. Okay. Now I just have some other issues. Descriptor pool was created with weaker descriptor flags missing. Free set. The Vulkan specs must have been created with the descriptor full traits descriptor set. Okay, that's weird. Now let's go to it. It's funny that it says that it has to be it. Oh, if I want to free it, I have to create it with that. Ah. Okay. Let's see, where do we create the pool? Pool. Info pool here. The flags, I'm literally just copying what they do, so yeah, they didn't put that either. SMH, imagine not doing stuff properly, you know what I'm saying?
Equals false, maybe?
What? Object tracking for VK device was not destroyed. So I have a pipeline layout that is not being freed right now. Okay, let's see. Where is that one? What? Set. Descriptor pool, descriptor set. Pipeline. I'm actually a bit confused. What? Ah. Yeah, of course, I don't have a D in it for this. No wonder. The public function D init. And we will destroy the pipeline and the other thing. So we'll just go vk.c vk destroy pipeline, and we'll take in, we have to take in the device, so we'll say device pointer vk device, like so. Device, no, oh, okay, and then we'll get C, the actual pipeline. We need to take self in. Self at this, if I could spell, would be fantastic. Boom. And we'll go to the end of all of these, and then we'll just do self dot pipeline. What is another thing we need? We need to give it the allocator. So just no. And then we need to destroy the pipeline layout. So vk.c vk destroy pipeline layout. Nothing different, I think it's just the same. Device to c self.pipeline layout and then null. Like so. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, okay. And then we have to call dinit inside of the renderer as well. So wait, we do descriptors. How should we do it them in the reverse order? So we do instance, then we do the draw, we do the descriptor, and then pipeline last. So I will also do self.pipeline.dinit self.device. So that is haha a bit funny. I'm just liking to rage bait myself a little bit, you know, why not? And yep. Everything seems to be fine now.
Intern.
I'm not just getting the information still. I'm not getting the crate info though, but it's fine. Did I disable it by accident?
Intern.
I don't know if I did.
Intern.
Maybe I didn't.
Intern. 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 Intern.
Oh no,
I know.
Intern.
he's stuck in a
Uh,
loop.
Hey,
Hello?
Yeah,
he was
segfault.
crazy once.
He was crazy once. Then they locked him in a room. And then he became sane. Hey, what's up, Omni?
No. Intern.
Omni, how are you?
Intern.
Insane.
Alright, he's insane.
What?
Or very close to.
Alright.
Yeah, I've started refactoring the whole code, and then at some point I was like, oh gosh, there are so many errors, but I have to keep going. I was on the edge of reverting everything because I said, okay, I'm refactoring everything all at once. That was just too much. Then I didn't know if it was working. I had some circular dependencies, and then it turned out it was just me writing bad code. And
that sounds
the
about
LSP
right.
wasn't helping me much.
Oh.
But I pulled it off. So
Nice.
it is
That's good.
compiling again.
Nice. Let's see. Find pipeline, descriptor set, dispatch. So if I just take this away and I put back these things, we should see the old stuff. No? Okay, I somehow fucked up the whole window thing. Amazing. What? How? It's not even prompting me with the window, bro. What the fuck? Where's the damn window? Why is there no window? And this... The only way that...
Try opening a door.
So then a window opens?
Oh,
Yes.
try with the back window.
Why is it not showing the window? That's scary. I'm still not getting actually the validation layers, which is even more scary, to be honest. Or, well, something is info here, but that would enabled by... I guess these things are only if they're actually good, they say these things, but I would still like to see the actual, like, trait struct, but it's whatever. What should we do then? Open your sunroof. I mean, I could. Why is it not just an... I mean, is it stuck in an infinite loop, or is it actually like doing something? That's my question. Let's see, we'll do a print and just say lol, new line. Let's see if it just gets stuck or if it's doing something. Oh, it's stuck somewhere. It doesn't even print the lol. Okay, so that means it's just... Well, look, I'm a fucking genius.
The sound of your piss hitting the urinal? It sounds feminine.
Bro, I like to rage bait myself so much that I put a if true condition and the return in the beginning of the return, or in the beginning of the draw function. Like, wow.
Nice.
Okay, let's see. This should take us back to the... Yes.
Oh
god. We need to fix all of these ones. Anyways, now we can take again. We can... What am I supposed to do? I don't want to use these things. Do I want to use that? I want to enable these things. We don't want the clear color. We don't want the image. Maybe we want that thing actually. Yes, that we want. And I will take these back. And let's see. Now we should do the shader stuff.
Oh my god,
look at that.
Oh my...
Now that's crazy. That's freaking
Wait, what
crazy. We have the shaders.
Whoa.
Oh, but we also have some validation layers that we should probably look into. This is not good.
Intern. That's
Intern.
definitely intern.
Imagine that this is actually gonna become a game, bro. The live stream doesn't show the right thing though, but it's fine. It's a bit fucked there. Okay, but these are actually not that bad. I thought that this was something way worse. That's a lot of squares. Yes, it at least like one. Fuck. I was about to count them, but I guess I'm not supposed to do that. Okay, anyways. Pipeline barrier source access
my fellow Lucas friends.
is not supported by stage mask. The Vulkan space for any element P maybe I just need sleep at this point. I don't know. If its source queue family index and destination queue family index members are equal, or if its source family index is the queue family index that was used to create the command pool, the command buffer was allocated from, then it's a source ask member must only contain an access flag that are supported by one or more of the pipeline stages in source stage, as specific in the table support access. Haha. Well, obviously that says nothing to me. Well, it does says I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to change, but I know I'm supposed to change something. Just a simple, like, one of the if conditions. Let's just check the other ones real quick. Yes, there must be Vulkan. Okay, do I have the wrong structure? This one is a little bit easier to just fix. Let's see, where's the submit? Here, submit. Oh, wow. Bam. Fuck, what did I do? Hey! Oh! Boom. Look.
Bro, if someone asks you if you like reading, you say, "Oh yeah, I like reading." Vulkan validation layers error.
Oh, you know those Vulkan
Yes.
validation layers? You know when they hit you in the morning when you're about to go to bed? That's really gets me going, you know. Okay, but that at least we got that thing figured out now. Submit to synchronous feature is not enabled. Feature must be enabled. Okay, we will take a look at that real quick. Feature must. Well, that's so helpful. It took me to a link that says less than the error validation layer that I just got. Now, okay, it's a link. Oh, thank God, it's a link. Chronos in. We want this. Wait, where the fuck did it go? It's. Wait, can I please? Indices, whether the implementation supports new synchronization, blah blah blah. Let's go here. I need to find it. Allows to provide. Okay. Device extension. Okay. So we're gonna put it in the device extensions. Bam, 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 bam. Fuck. Bam, 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 bam. And yet another one gone. I think, I hope. Yes? No, fuck, it's not enabled.
Skin. There better be.
Still there. Why is it still there? Sir, I'm not an expert, but this looks like a Vulkan validation.
We don't choose Vulkan because we thought it was easy. We chose Vulkan because we forgot how hard it was.
We chose Vulkan because we thought it was easy. We chose Vulkan because we forgot. We just forgot. There was nothing else to it. But most of my issues are just with barriers and, well, a synchronization feature is not enabled. But now I'm pretty sure that I put it. Bro, I'm not checking. I'm just checking the instance. I'm not checking the device. Whoa, why does time pass so fast? You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like, I don't understand. Time should slow down. Chill
But
out.
I'm gonna be here forever. I'm never gonna leave because I don't have school.
You don't have school? Okay. So if I stay
No.
for another 24 hours
Yeah, I'm
programming.
here.
Damn.
I'll be here.
I'll do it if you do it.
Yeah, man. I'll also do it if you do it. I'll be here.
I'm not even bluffing. That's no problem.
Yeah, bro. Like, I'm gonna fall asleep at the end of it, but like, you know, I will try.
Should we do a 24-hour live stream? Not today.
Yeah, let's go.
No, not today. I have a part exam tomorrow.
Today. No, you don't do that exam. You can do it in the 24-hour live stream if you want. It becomes like a vlog in the middle of the live stream where you go have the test and then you come back and we continue.
I just go with the phone. They're like, hey, sorry, teacher, could I record while doing the exam? Like, it's very important. I have a whole audience watching me.
And then this comes out of your phone.
What the fuck?
Bro, I was once on a work call and I just blinked. I was chilling on the sofa. I just blinked my eyes for an instant and nobody was in the call. I figured I fell asleep.
I hate when it happens, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, but we're getting somewhere with these things. That it's
You know, there was one time, I don't know, when I was little, like this is actually like the craziest thing that's ever happened to me. I went to sleep and I put my head on the bed and I shut my eyes and then shut my eyes there and then I opened them again and it was morning.
Oh man, that happens to me every night.
Every night. Damn, that's so nice. Only happened to me once.
Guys, you're missing out a lot so much. You should be awake when you're sleeping.
Oh my god, what?
Oh.
You can do that?
Yeah,
What?
crazy things happen when you're sleeping.
Oh, you didn't know?
No.
What the fuck? Next is gonna tell me that you
Oh
can
no,
talk with
that might
yourself
sound
inside of your
something.
head.
Well, when I go to sleep, I just I just let the body sleep and I go back to programming.
You asleep?
No. Omi is letting his body take a nap while he continues to do the work.
Nap? What's that?
Well,
Is that like a napkin? You know, I use
Yeah.
program.
you know, he found that the body's a waste. You don't need your body when you program, you know, so you can just let it.
Body?
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh.
I'm a Docker image.
Docker image.
Yeah, bro. I'm running everywhere.
I think a few of your containers ain't right, bro.
Yeah, no, most of them are pretty bad and they're crashing all the time. Usually like some seg fault.
It's like my all of my Arch Linux applications.
Yeah, I'm on an Arch Linux application that are running on Lucas's PC. That's why I am crashing so
It's
much.
so funny. Like every day I wake up and I update my whole system, and something doesn't work. And I'm like, well, fuck.
This is literally Lucas after like yet another time updating and everything seg faults.
But you know, actually, I found out how to fix all of my issues. The problem is first I needed to figure out what's the thing that got updated that shouldn't have gone
And
updated.
then install the late some old ass version of some like
no, but look,
debugger.
there is -h, right? So this command, upgrade. You can use this command also to downgrade. So you can specify the specific version you want to get, and then you will just like that's what I did today to get the DaVinci Resolve working, so I could upload that short. Was that I figure out that it was the libc++ basically that have gone an update which was incompatible, so I downgraded it using this command. You can specify just which version you want, and bam, now DaVinci Resolve works and everything else works on the system, which is a bit of a risky trade-off.
How did C++ break its standard library? Like, how did it even happen?
Well, maybe it wasn't standard library, but it was a library that was a C++ thing, which funny moment.
Okay.
Um,
Imagine writing in C++.
yeah.
Well, in Windows, it's way easier. You just have like 25 versions of Visual C redistributable.
I mean,
That's how it sounds starting Windows.
to some extent, it would be nice to have like all of the versions just installed, so you could like any SIG, but for everything, any C++ and any.
That's called Nix.
Sure. Oh my god, can I? Could I just switch to Nix? To be honest, that sounds like heavens. Like
You don't have to switch to Nix. You can just install Nix. It's a package manager and an OS, but you can just install the package manager.
but I'm already using Pacman. It would be kind of weird to use two different
Yeah.
managers.
Yeah. But and also everyone will disapprove of you, even the Nix users, because they only like people who use Nix when they're on Nix OS. So
I mean, I
cooked.
could just completely reboot my whole computer and get rid of Windows at the same time, and then install Arch and Nix at the same time.
Yeah.
Or should I go with Gento?
Gentoo? No.
Gentoo?
No.
No?
Okay, so imagine you're installing DaVinci Resolve like you did today or well yesterday, and you're updating your stuff. Yeah, imagine instead of updating like every day, you have to update every hour. Because they kind of like to commit like I do, and that's when they just make it sort of work, and then they realize like the second after they commit like, oh shit, yeah, I forgot this, and then they do that like 20 times.
But
and they
no,
gotta
can you
update
use
it.
Nix with Gentoo?
You can use Nix on anything.
Yeah. So then we'll do that. What package manager just even Gentoo use, to be honest?
I don't know, Gentoo Supremacy installer or something. I don't know. Gentoo people really like their Gentoos.
Linux from scratch time. Build your own package manager too. I will build my own computer.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Let's just use the SIG package manager for installing apps.
I will make a Lucas computer, and I will sell it with the Linux OS, and then
You mean the Lubas OS?
there will be what is some funny package manager name that I could use Lucas with?
Smackman.
Smackman. It will be Plucas. Nah, I don't know. It will be funny.
Lucas Pack Lucas.
Lucas manager.
Lucas Packager. Or Amazon Delivery Service. That's a very good package manager name.
I agree 110%. Definitely should do that.
Yeah, we should make an OS called Lubas OS, and yeah, that's the package manager.
Look OS, and then for package manager, look at Yeet.
Yeet?
I like the Yeet
Yeet
idea.
your packages.
Yeah, just Yeet your packages.
Yeah.
That would be great.
I'll be back in a minute.
All right. I was supposed to do something. Right, the device. They should be in the Vulkan surface, physical device, logical device. Here. I think we want to the same that we do. Let's see. If I do c dot vk enumerate. Yes, this is what we want to do. We want to do the same, but now for the device instead of the instance. So we'll take this, bam, and we'll replace. But this one doesn't have. Wait, hold on. Extension. Why would I do it for layers? I'm braining. C vk enumerate device. Is there actually a device layer properties? What? Does the device also have layers? That ain't no way. There are. Huh. Omni. Omni. Why do I want to call you Omni all the time?
Yep.
Do you use
I'm omni.
Sorry?
Because I'm omnipresent.
Omnipresent, exactly. Do you use the device layers as well with this instance layers?
Let me check. I don't think I've ever needed any device layers.
Yeah, I haven't used them either, but I'm wondering.
Daddy Pudino. Omar Pudino. Omar Pudino. Dad. Yola Molimo. Daddy Pudino.
I don't think I've. No, I don't have any layer.
Yeah. Okay.
Any layer of Pudinis?
Let's see, physical device. Okay, well, thank you. And properties. It's a shoe! Whoa! Whew. Wait, did I put layers? Bro, want device extensions? Enumerate device extension properties. Found 3. It wants the physical device, the layer name. Okay, that's just null. And not 2 commas would be great. And then we'll do the same thing here. And is it just extension properties then? Yeah, it looks like it is. Then we'll pass the extension properties. Welcome back.
Thank
you. And then the pointer to that, or reference, the address, bruh. And then we're missing device extension. And this will just be missing instance. Like so. And that should be fine then. Device. I want to be a little bit more dense, because if I actually run into these things, it's gonna be okay. And then they just go through the ones that I want and the ones I have, and then I should just pass those in. Okay, segfault. Okay, what am I passing in wrong now? Probably this. We can do a print amount the new line. Attention count. Yeah, that won't be enough. That's very interesting. Let's do 516. Yeah. Okay, but it seems like all of those are found, so weird. Okay, great. Don't need that anymore. And we can also put this there. Finding kind of strange. I feel like it's not enable. I just added it. Let's see, it's probably gonna have here if I forgot something. And we are passing in the extensions, right? Let's see. Device, config, device, extensions. Yeah, they come from here. Extensions, they should all be passed in. print extensions string extensions. Do we have to do if? I think that's fine. It's not fine. Invalid string S4. It's not fine. You can do this. And then I can actually just take the extension. So. And then we can see. There. So there's the swap chain, descriptor buffer, synchronization. Yeah. It should be there. Let's see. It requires this, and we do have it. Very interesting that it's not actually working. Because we do enable it, but yet it tells me this bullshit. It's not enabled. Ah. GPT, help a little guy out. Oh wait, so I still have to add that in the create info of the create device. Huh.
Device layer seems to be deprecated.
What seems to be deprecated?
Device layers.
Okay,
So that's why I don't have an example of it.
Okay, since when did it become deprecated?
I have no idea. This is ChatGPT, so might be totally
Okay.
hallucinated. But it seems pretty sure about it.
Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. ChatGPT do be seeming sure about things, not gonna lie. Yeah. It's VK. That shouldn't be an bro. And then we should be sync features. P next.
Oh, okay, it's confirmed in the Vulkan's documentation.
Okay.
It was a mistake.
And it should be wait, sorry. This thing should already exist inside of the default. So yeah. Now I just have the barriers that are incorrect. So I will have to figure out the barriers. Woo! But that's fine. And then we'll continue on. Bro, this chapter is taking a long time. We will not do GUI though. But we'll do push constants. And we will do graphics pipeline. Not too far off to actually. And then we'll start doing the multiplayer stuff as well. Woo!
What do you need push const for?
Oh, it will be for the movement of the transform of things.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, or were you thinking it's redundant or?
I'm using just regular buffers.
But aren't push constants still like faster? They are like limited, but aren't they faster than regular buffers?
Might be, might be not. I don't know.
Yeah, like
That's usually not gonna make a huge difference.
no, that like it's just what I've understood that its push constants are faster. They're just very limited in what you can send.
Yeah, push constants are faster, but also they're limited, and they only make sense when you are updating every frame something.
Yeah, but that's usually the transform, I would say.
But you have to have a special shader just for
Yeah,
that
yeah,
thing
yeah.
that need to be transformed.
Yeah, well, yeah, well, I mean, that's the point of Vulkan. You utilize the things that are best suit your need, and you are not forced to do something in a specific way. So, if it doesn't make sense, why do it then? Game finished today? No. Game will never be finished. Nah, it will be at some point. When I get a little bit more time.
Strawberry milk.
Oh, strawberry milk? Sure. This game is actually like something that I want to make an actual like something real cool about. I guess I believe this is like my first project that will actually be something, you know. It will have multiplayer, we'll have full, the whole system will be there, and we will get rid of that space time, I think, sadly, because it doesn't really make
Space
sense.
time.
But it's just how it is, you know. And
Nah, let's go back to space time. Honestly,
I will just push this. We still have a few.
and then intern.
And then I'm gonna hit that bed.
All right.
Um. Still have barrier issues. Big push. All right, but thank you for everybody who has been watching. The music has died. I just realized. Lol. No worry, we got our DJ Harold who's gonna play our goodbye theme. Harold, hit it.
Obama.